All right, so we're down at Johnny Mercer's Pier in Wilmington, North Carolina, or Wrightsville Beach, and Bass just literally crashed his drone into the water. All right, it's a rain day. Bass, we out here in the rain, down here by the battleship. We back at it again, man. Doing it up, trying to find something to do, and hopefully we don't get caught by any police.
Like we never left.
We never left, man, but we back now. Looks like we got that old Coast Guard cutter over here. They probably gonna be cutting into our flight time. All right, so we out here in Wilmington today getting some nice shots. We got some beautiful scenery out here. This is kind of like a little reunion between me and Bass. Bass been out living in Beijing for God knows how long, but we out getting some nice drone shots today. He's kind of got lost over there doing his thing, but it's absolutely beautiful down here by the Riverwalk today. It was supposed to be a nasty day, but we actually got some good shots, got some good weather to close the night out. So let's keep it moving and let's see what else we can get tonight. I'm gonna put Bass on to a B-roll challenge and see who ends up having the better video for the day. Bass legit about to burn his whole battery in one spot down here. Somebody do something with this kid, man. All right, so we're down at Johnny Mercer's Pier in Wilmington, North Carolina, or Wrightsville Beach, and Bass just literally crashed his drone into the water. So to make a tough day even tougher, he just lost his drone. He was flying and literally a group of seagulls came by and he hit the seagulls and then crashed right down into the ocean. We tried to look for it for a little while, but we weren't able to find it. So if that's any indication as to how the day is gonna go, it's definitely not going to do too well. Hopefully he's able to pull out his Osmo here in a minute and keep filming and enjoy himself. I do know he lost his SD card, but right to Davy Jones' locker, that DJI Spark goes. By the way, those Sparks fly, man. He had it put on sport mode and he was zooming across the sky everywhere. So DJIs are looking really nice right now. I guess that just goes to show why I'm so sketched to fly my Karma anywhere. Because I'm always scared it's gonna crash or something, man. That's actually the second time he's crashed one into the ocean. So Bass, you know, I know you ain't seeing this right now, but I'm gonna tell you again, I'm sorry, dude. I should have known with my luck today that I should have just went back home and stayed at home, because I don't seem to be bringing anything around but trouble today.
Boy, you wait till I show you the video. It got it, Brent, it got it.
We're just gonna roll around and see what we can do, see what we can come up with. There really ain't anything going on tonight, is there, Bass? We just out here, just down in Wilmington. We are, like I said earlier, we crashed a drone. Oh, you know what? If we're gonna do that too, I need to get my camera so we can take pictures. All right, Bass, what's the synopsis for today, man?
The synopsis of the day.
Seagulls took the drone.
Seagulls took the drone.
We lost my car key for like the last few minutes, but Bass was smart enough to remember where I had set it at, so thank God for Bass.
Yep.
Otherwise, we would have been screwed. I think my closest relative would have been about an hour and a half away. Bass, I think we're just bad luck, man.
No, we're just out here learning. We out here learning.
But you know, for two people to either be learning or either be bad luck, we have some of the best bad luck I've ever seen, man.
That's true.
We have some of the best bad luck I ever seen. Also, man, you know, I want to give a shout out to Pittard. Pittard hangs out with Bass all the time, but I don't ever see Pittard. I saw you had a new company on the rise called Heartless. Good luck with that. Hopefully you have better luck than we did tonight and today.
That heartless.com.
Heartless.com. That's no E. There's no E in that. HARTLESS. I guess I lied. There is an E.
There's an E. There's one E.
There's one E. The second E, not the first E. But it was a good day today, man. I guess moral of the story today, watch out for the seagulls if you're flying a drone. And make sure you keep up with your car keys, man, because you don't want to be in a city an hour and a half away and not have your car keys.
Truth.
All right. Peace out, man.
Later.